Hello friends, welcome to GYAN. This is network question 2018 paper ISRO. In this question we have to find, we have given this current I1 and this across inductor and a current I2 across capacitor, and we have to find di1 by dt and di2 by dt at t is equal to 0 plus. My switch will get closed at t is equal to 0 plus. Initially my switch is open and it will get closed at t is equal to 0 plus. So first of all, we will do the analysis of our circuit at t is equal to 0 minus. So what will happen at t is equal to 0 minus? This is my 100 volt source is given. So at t is equal to 0 minus, inductor will short circuit as source is present with inductor at t is equal to 0 minus. This will be open. My capacitor will be open circuit as already, and we have switch open. So my circuit will become like 100 volt, switch is open, so it will be removed. This is 20 ohm and this inductor will get short circuited. This is I1 at t is equal to 0 minus. This is 20 ohm and my capacitor, as my capacitor is open, so it will be plus minus Vc. So I will find my I1. So I1 will be 100 upon 10 plus 20, that will become 30. So my I1 of 0 minus will be equal to 100 divided by 20 plus 10, that is 30. That will be 10 by 3. And for inductor at t is equal to 0 minus and at t is equal to 0 plus, current are same, so it will be 10 by 3. Now I will find my Vc. So this is open, so there will be I2 of 0 minus will be 0, and here my Vc will be voltage across this 20 ohm resistance. So my Vc will be 20 into current across this, that will be 10 by 3. So it will be 200 by 3. Vc of 0 minus. So I can equate it to Vc of 0 plus. It is equal to 0 minus and t is equal to 0 Vc, capacitor voltage is same. So at t is equal to 0 plus, my circuit will look like 100 volt. As switch will be closed, so it will be short circuit. My 10 ohm will get removed, so it will be 20 ohm. This will be my inductor currents. I am drawing at t is equal to 0 plus. This will be 10 by 3. Here it's 20 ohm. Then my capacitor voltage will be 200 by 3 volt. Again, this is my current I2 at 0 plus, and this is I1 at 0 plus. This is at 0 plus. So from here I can say that there will be a voltage across this inductor, which will be plus minus VL. So my this complete 100 volt will appear across this, and this 10 by 3 ampere current is flowing to 20 ohm. So my 100, I can write my 100 volt as equal to this voltage across this resistance, which will be given by 20 into 10 by 3 plus VL. So here, from here I will get my VL as VL equal to 100 minus 200 by 3, which will be 100 by 3, which will become 100 by 3. Now this is my VL of 0 plus, and VL of 0 plus is equal to L di1 of 0 plus by dt. As my inductor current to inductor is I1, so it will be L into di1 by dt of 0 plus. So from here I can get di1 by dt equal to di1 by dt at 0 plus equal to V of L of 0 plus by L. and this will be equal to 100 by 3 and inductor is 2 Henry. So my VL of 0 plus will become 100 by 6. Sorry, it's di1 by dt of 0 plus will become 100 by 6 ampere. Now from this circuit only I can get my I2 of 0 plus. So my I2 of 0 plus I will get as, this will be, this 100 volt will completely appear across this. So this 100 minus 200 by 3 by 20 will be my I2 of 0 plus. So my I2 of 0 plus will be 100 minus 200 by 3 divided by 20, which will equal to 300 minus 200, 100 divided by 20 into 3, that is 60. So it will be 10 by 6. Now from the very initial equation, from this equation I can write my current equation, that is equation of I2. I can write my equation of I2 as, this I2 will be equal to 100 volt which will appear here, minus at t is equal to 0 plus, when my switch will be closed, I'm writing the equation of this I2. So my I2 will be given by this 100 here, 100 volt will be present as it will be short circuited. So my I2 will be 100 minus, the voltage across this is VC. So it will be 100 minus VC upon this resistance from D will be I2. It will be like this. Now I'm rewriting here. So from the first circuit I get my I2 as I2 is equal to 100 minus VC by 20, or I can write my di2 by dt as 100 upon 20 will be constant sum, so it will be 0 minus 1 by 20 and it will be dVC by dt. So I can write my di2 by dt of 0 plus will be minus 1 by 20 dVC of dt at 0 plus, and this I2 of 0 plus it is the capacitor current, and the capacitor current is given by C dVC by dt of 0 plus. So here I can from this equation I can get my dVC of dVC by dt of 0 plus as I2 of 0 plus by C. So my dVC by dt I will find here, dVC by dt of 0 plus is given by I2 of 0 plus by C. I will replace this value here, so it will look like minus 1 by 20 into I2 of 0 plus by C, which will be equal to minus 1 by 20. I2 of 0 plus I have got as 10 by 6, and my capacitor value is 2 microfarad. So from here I will get as minus 10 to the power 6 by 6 into 12 into 2, 24 ampere. So this will be my answer.